In this class, we will see what is the difference between extract and split in Power BI. For this purpose, I have here taken the sample data, as you can see. So the first thing we have to do in sample data, as you can see here, is we have already seen in previous class. So that this date must be converted to the age group like 13 to 15, and this date also must be converted to the age group. So what is the issue here? It is not showing as the age group, but it is showing as the date. So when we want to replace this date with the age group, so when we right click in that particular cell, we cannot find the replace values option here. But in this case of model, we can find replace values. But in this case of gender also, we can find replace values. In this case of store name also, we can find the replace values, but we are unable to find the replace values in the age group column. The main reason is that here store name is store name data type is precisely defined that it is a text data type, and gender is also precisely defined it is a text data type, and model is also precisely defined that it is a text data type. When it comes to the age group, it is not precisely defined. It is a combination of both whole number data type and text data type. In this case, where two data types are present in one single column, Power BI will not allow us to replace the values. For that purpose, we have to either fix onto one type of one data type. In this case, I will select text data type. So now that I have selected text data type, you can see that replace values is now visible. So I'm just replacing, right clicking the 4/6/2004 replace values. So this 4/6/2024 will automatically come here since I have selected in the particular cell itself by right clicking it. Now I have to replace 4/6/2024, but my actual data is age group of 4 to 6. 4 to 6. So when I click OK, it will get replaced. Even this one also I'll do the same thing. 6/8/2024. My actual age group is 6 to 8. It will get replaced. So I have to fill down this particular thing. 4 to 6 should also come here. 6 to 8 should also come here as per my requirement in this particular data. So I'll just select 4 to 6 and go to transform and select fill and fill down. Select fill and fill down. Now you can see this 4 to 6 is filled up, filled down to here. 6 to 8 is filled down to here. Now that age group is age group is uh, completely cleared, and it is free of any formatting issues. Now I want to split this age group into minimum age group and maximum age group. I want to split this age group into two columns called as minimum age group and maximum age group. For that purpose, i'll be using i'll be using I'll be using extract in transform. We have extract two times. One is transform extract, next one is add column extract. We will see what is the difference between these two types of extract. First we will select the age group column and come to the transform extract and select text before delimiter. Text before delimiter is delimiter here in this case is dash or hyphen. So when I click OK, delimiter means point of separation, a separation entity between two values. It can be an hyphen, it can be comma, it can be space, it can be full stop, it can be anything. So in this case, it is a delimiter is it's an hyphen. So when I click OK, so as you can see, it has text before delimiter. All the minimum age group is is divided here. I can rename it, but the main issue is I it has deleted my original age group range 4 to 6, 13 to 15, 6 to 8. Minimum age group, the original age group table is deleted. So for this purpose, it is not this approach is not okay. Which approach? This transform extract approach is not okay for this requirement. Then I'll just go back by clicking this cross mark. Then I'll go to add column tab and extract. Add column, extract. We have seen extract in transform. It has not returned the result as required. So we will go to add column extract. We'll select text before delimiter. So I'll give the delimiter as hyphen and click OK. Delimiter as hyphen and click OK. Now you can see that I have retained my original table. My original table is still there, and I also got my new table. New table contains data of text before delimiter. 4 comes here and 4 comes here, 13 comes here, and I still have the original table with me. So this particular approach of using extract in add columns is suitable for this particular data. Now I can again place my selection in age group. Go to extract. In this case now I'll select text after delimiter. I'll select the delimiter as hyphen. Click OK. Now you can see text after delimiter 6 has come here and another 6 has come here, 15 has come here, 8 has come here, so on. So now I can rename these particular columns such like minimum age group, minimum age, and maximum age. Right, now that I got minimum age and maximum age by using extract in add columns, now I can remove this particular age group column by selecting and right clicking it and clicking on remove. I got rid of the original table. It will not affect the newly formed columns even though original table is deleted. Now let us see this. Let us see how split will work. For this purpose, I'll roll back some steps. Removed columns, renamed columns, inserted text after delimiter. Inserted text. Yes. Now I got my original table here. Now I'll show you how split works. Split is in home tab. Home tab, split column. Now select the age group. Select by delimiter. Select by delimiter. Delimiter here in this case is hyphen, but split column by delimiter. In this case, delimiter will be automatically selected by the select delimiter option. I just have to click on OK in this case. Now my age group is now divided into two parts. One is age group 1 and one is other one is age group 2, and the original table is now deleted. I can also rename this as minimum age and maximum age. Okay. Now that we got idea of how extract works in transform, how extract works in add column, how split works in home tab, and also what is the reason for replace values not not populating by right clicking in the particular table. The reason is if two or more data types are present in one single column, replace values is not available by the Power BI by right clicking the particular column. Then we have to reformat the column by anyone for data type. In this class we have seen so far. In the next class we will continue with some other topic in Power BI. Thank you.